In this lesson, we're going to learn the terms for the weather. But before we get into it, a little bit of history. Māori believe Tāwhiri Mātea is the god of the weather. He created all of the weather phenomena and patterns we know. Ka pai. Let's learn a little bit about his offspring. The first term we're going to learn is paki, fine. He rangi paki means a fine day. Ka puapua is the term for cloudy. He rangi ka puapua means a cloudy day. Ke ao is the term for overcast. Fun fact, ao is a term for cloud, which is what the ao in Aotearoa is, the long white cloud. Ua is the term for rain. There are different types of rain, and each tribe has their own variations. For example, ua tata is heavy rain, ua pu kohu kohu is drizzle, and ua makere whatu is a rain heavy enough to put out a fire. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, and there's even ua kirikiri, which means sand rain, or better known as a sandstorm. So, there are many types of rain, but ua is the term generally used. The next kupu is hau, or wind. Like ua, there are many variations. Haupu kirikiri, strong wind. Hau maiangi, light wind. Hau tonga, a southerly wind, and so on. But the general term for wind is hau. Fun fact, hau is also the term for air, and pou te hau is out of breath, or out of air. The next kupu is mist, or kohu. It's short for Hinepu Kohurangi, the god of mist. Anyway, let's carry on. The word for snow is huka. Snowing is hukarere. Rere means to fly, so flying snow. Frost on the ground is called huka papa. Papa is the ground, so snow on the ground. The last kupu for weather we're going to learn is awha, which is the term for a storm. Hope you enjoyed this lesson about elements of the weather.